later.
That's dangerous.
You're setting a bad example for children. Disappearing magic ball.
Crack. Your mother's so ugly, her face could sink 1,000 ships.
Your mother's so ugly, even her reflection runs away.
You're gonna have to keep this up.
Whatever.
All you do is miss.
You've been missing too. You're not nice, Tommy.
Well, you're horrible, baby. You're so into yourself, baby.
You're into yourself more. No matter what you say, I'll come back with something better.
If you come back with something better, I'll come back with something better.
Take that and that and that and that.
Got it, got it, got it, got it. You're such a goody two-shoes, baby.
Speak for yourself, goody two-shoes. You're hopeless, Tommy.
No, you're hopeless. If you apologize now, I'll forgive you.
I won't apologize until you apologize. This is so stupid. You're wasting my time, Tommy.
You seem to be enjoying wasting my time.
You're such a dummy dum-dum, Tommy.
I know you are, but what am I?
Yeah.
Hey,
You should listen when somebody is talking.
you're not listening either.
You're not going to get away with this today.
No, you're not going to get away with it. Baby, you are so silly.
What you say is what you are.
You're a liar, Amy.
If I'm a liar, then what are you?
Ah,
This is so stupid. You're wasting my time, Tommy.
you seem to be enjoying wasting my time.